What's up everyone, Himanshu Best here, and in this video we are going to be jumping into webinar marketing strategy. Back in 2019 I started running my first webinar, and at that point I was feeling really weird because I was facing camera for the first time, and I was not really sure that if webinars are going to be helping in my business or not, but it turned out to be one of the really a good decision I actually took in my business. So, uh, webinar became the one of the biggest source of revenue for my own business. So, in this video, you are actually be discovering how can you leverage the power of webinars in your business. So, if you have a service, if you have a product to sell, or if you are selling other people's products on the internet, then webinar can be one really powerful strategy. And one of the reasons of it is because not so many people are doing it. So if you will be doing it, you will have automatically you will naturally grow better than other people, right? Because not other people are doing it. So this is about it. So if you have a diary, pen, paper, pull that up so that you can write a lot of notes. And I'll be showing you some of the things that I personally implemented in my own business. And after meeting and working with hundreds of entrepreneurs from all around the world, now I know some of these strategies that you are going to discover. Okay, so with this said, let's get things started. Now, first thing is this. Webinars are not going to die in future. A lot of people think that webinar is getting saturated, but it is not, because this is the only way people are meeting with each other virtually. Okay, so just think about it. People love going to seminars. People love sharing, meeting with each other, and going to workshops and learn, right? And webinar is just the virtuals. It's a simulation of online offline events like seminars, right? So everybody who is interested in seminars would not mind learning in the webinar, right? So one of the things that I heard from a lot of people is that webinars are only for selling products, but it is not actually true. You can use webinars for three important things, and I actually implemented webinars in these three ways in my own business. Okay, one is for selling your product or services. That means you are actually promoting. For example, if you have a course, or if you sell high ticket coaching, or you have a product, right? And in that situation, you can run a sales webinar, that we call it. And other kind of webinar is a product awareness webinar. So one of the company named Instamojo, they have a payment gateway for mostly for Indian audience. That means for Indian business owners, they run payment gateway, and they promote their webinars for they use their webinars for promoting their product. That's the payment gateway, right? They do not do the sales webinar kind of thing, because they want to aware the other business owners about their product, because they understand that now when everybody is going online, they will need a payment gateway, and they are actually doing it so well that they are seeing a lot of growth with it. Okay, so this is one interesting thing. The third way that you can run your webinar is for community building. That means for we call it community webinars. So if you have already a big audience, let's say you have a Facebook group of people, and you are working with some kind of vision, or you have a YouTube subscriber list. In that situation, you can run your webinars for building this community stronger. Or if you have a premium subscriber, that means the people are paying you, they recurring on recurring basis, or they have paid you at one point of time. So some of the Indian social media gurus and Indian marketers are doing it really well. They are using webinars for nurturing their community. So this is one way that you can implement your webinars for, right? Now, you need to understand that webinar might not be uh, giving you the results very quickly. I saw some people promoting webinars like the quick rich thing, quick rich scheme. So you can actually run the webinar and you can make a lot of money kind of thing, but it's not actually true. So what I did, I actually created a kind of system. It's a three-step system, and this can help you to run your first webinar successfully, or the next webinar successfully. If you have run in the past and you were struggling, then this is going to be helping you, all right? So let's jump to my screen and let's understand what I'm actually talking about. All right. Now, what I call it is PCC system. Okay. So what do I mean by this is here. Okay. So if I would divide like if that's the product, okay, P, and this is the copy, and the third is communication. Okay. So basically, if you are running a webinar and you want to sell your product or you want to build a community and you want to nurture your tribe with the help of webinars, then you need these three things, all right? You need a product that you can uh, mostly product is mainly about the mission that you are working toward, right? So if you are passionate about funnels or you are passionate about yoga, so this is the kind of product that I'm talking about, right? This is the like the idea. What is the idea that you are going to talk about? That's very important, right? So I say this a product. You can call it a service or um, it can be any vision that you are seeing, right? This is the most important part because that's the anchor. That's you are going to talk about. This is what people will connect with, right? So product is very critical. And the second thing is that a lot of people don't understand it that copy of your webinar is critical. What you are going to say, the script of that webinar is important. In fact, I have created a really amazing template that can help you to run a successful webinar. You can check out my description and get it because that script is like think of it like a vehicle that is going to take people from point A to point B, where people are just joining your webinar. They do not understand what they are going to do and what you are going to tell them. And from that point to actually uh, they are staying till the end and they are taking action upon the information that you gave, and you if you wanted to sell something, then they actually bought the product. So the whole roadmap, right? The whole roadmap that is the template. So template or copy of that webinar is very critical, right? And do not think that I will just I will open the camera and I'll just start saying, I will tell whatever, and people will actually do what I want them to do. It doesn't happen, right? So you need to take them through a journey, and webinar provides you the opportunity for it. So all you need to do is to use this template in the right way. And then next thing is that's the another part of another pillar of this whole game is the communication, right? So communication is again, it's a skill, right? So when I started my webinars, I was really bad at communicating. I was not comfortable before camera, and I didn't even know that if people are actually gonna be loving what I'm going to share, right? It's very normal and it's totally fine because you this is the best part of communication. You really become good at your communication when you keep doing it, right? So all you need to do is to keep showing up every single day, and this is what's going to work for you. There is no magic wand that is going to help you to make your communication quickly better, and don't think that you will start when you will become better at it. If you are already doing it, you understand it, right? So communication is that will eventually become good, and you will keep getting better at it. So this is not my biggest concern when I'm telling you this PCC formula. What I want you to get is the idea or the vision that you are going to talk about in the webinar. Every time when you open the camera, you open the lid of your laptop, you pull out your diary and you start writing the script, what you are going to say. This is the most important part. What you are doing before the webinar. That's the most important part because this is what is going to make difference in someone's life. This is what will take that person from a point where he is struggling or she is struggling to the point where he actually got a new solution of the problem, right? So the copy, the template, and the product. If you can work on these three things and you start doing your webinars, you will see that you can use webinars for growing your community, selling the products and services, and to create more awareness about your product. And definitely it can become the a new vehicle of transformation in your own business. Okay, I want you to comment down if you are still watching this video. I really appreciate it. Not so many people do it. If you are here till the end, type 1% in the comment box, because most of the people have left already. So if you are the 1%er, comment down and let me know. And let me know what was your biggest takeaway from this video, and implement it. At the end, the actions that you are going to take after getting this knowledge is going to uh, decide, right? So with this said, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, so that every time when I put a new video, you can get notified. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.